Two productivity giants, one ultimate showdown, which workspace tool stands above the rest. On the left, Trello, the visual board master trusted for easy task management. And on the right, Notion, the all-in-one powerhouse for notes, databases, and project organization. Let's cut through the jargon and compare what really matters. Each round scores points and you'll see who truly dominates in the end. The winner might surprise you. Let me give you a sneak peek of what's coming up on the comparison mind map. We're gonna break down these apps across categories like customization and flexibility, ease of use, collaboration, integrations, automation and AI, price, and best use cases too. Ready? Let's go category by category, starting with customization. Okay, first up, customization and flexibility. So Trello keeps things super straightforward. You get those Kanban boards and honestly it's hard to beat the simple drag and drop vibe. You can tweak boards quite a bit and with those power-ups add cool features from other apps. But here's the catch, it's mostly Kanban stuff and if you want wild custom setups you kind of need third-party plugins. Now on the Notion side, the possibilities. Notion is like a playground for control freaks, pages, databases, templates, rules. You can build whole workflows or wikis or whatever your heart desires. But let's be real, it'll make your brain hurt the first time you use it. Which one wins? Notion totally takes this category with all that flexibility. Let's talk ease of use. Trello's definitely got the upper hand. I mean the setup, just name your board and start adding cards, drag things around, comment done. It's honestly so friendly even your grandma could set up a Trello board. But Trello does start to feel kinda shallow for those truly massive projects. Notion though? Oh man, power users love it but newbies be warned, it can feel like walking into a spaceship cockpit. There's a lot going on and especially on the mobile app it can be not super obvious. In this one, Trello is the clear winner for pure intuitive vibes. Alright, moving on to collaboration. Trello keeps things snappy, comments, tagging teammates, quick file uploads, great for a fast-moving team where you need everyone on the same page quickly. But if you want everyone actually editing together or building out long documents, Trello's not your jam. Now with Notion you can have the whole squad editing real-time, adding suggestions, building out a team wiki, the works. Only caveat, everybody kind of needs to learn the system first. This time, it's Notion that edges ahead. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Notion can instantly turn any page you make into a public website? And get this, Trello was literally born out of a hackathon project. Who knew, right? Integrations time. Trello's got the classics Slack, Google Drive, GitHub, Jira, Zapier, MS Teams, so if you're living that modern workflow life, chances are you won't hit a wall. No Figma or Asana though, so watch out if you need those. Notion meanwhile rocks with Slack, Google Drive, Asana, Figma, but weirdly no GitHub, Jira, or Teams. It's like each platform picked its own friend group. For integrations, surprisingly, Trello gets the edge. Next up, automation and AI. Trello's Butler automation is super beginner-friendly setup automations with a couple clicks. Power users can add AI tools if you pay up, but it won't handle those mega-complex flows. Notion takes a different route. It's got AI add-ons to help brainstorm content and write faster and native databases for some really intense automations, if you can figure out how to set them up. Both have perks, both have gotchas. I'm calling this one a tie since it totally depends on how deep you want to go. Quick chat about price. Trello's free tier honestly covers tons of basic needs and upgrading doesn't break the bank. Of course, some advanced stuff like timeline views means paying a bit. Notion gives you way more features in a single plan and the solo free version kind of rocks. But for teams, prices creep up and those AI features, yeah, they're add-ons now. In this round, Trello slides ahead for affordability. Now the best use cases. I love this part. Trello is killer for agencies, freelancers, startups, and anyone who lives for visual project planning, product launches, or marketing sprints. But if you need a place for deep documentation or guides, yeah, that's Notion's playground. Notion is awesome for building company wikis, remote teams, education stuff, content creation, and sometimes maybe even a bit too much for a simple list. Winner here, honestly it's a draw, they each have their sweet spot. If you look at the side-by-side radar chart, you'll see some real contrasts. Notion surges ahead in customization and collaboration, while Trello shines with ease of use, integrations, and price. It's almost like picking between a superpowered toolbox and a slick, simple organizer. So here's my take after all that. If you want really fast, visual task management with almost no learning curve, Trello is your best bet. But if your workflow needs documentation, databases, and deep collaboration, especially with remote teams or complex projects, Notion is the clear choice. There's no wrong answer, just ask yourself how much complexity you actually want in your life. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.